We see that few students find it difficult to cope up with school and preparation of competitive exams together, whereas few others perform brilliantly in all these exams. How do they manage to do it, or how is their strategy different from the others? So I'm breaking this down in 2 points regarding the strategy. First is understanding the requirement of the school exam and the competitive exam, because there lies a lot of difference between the two. Second is the execution of the planning for syllabus completion and revision. Now I'm elaborating on the first point, which is understanding the requirements of the two exams, the school exam, the board exam, or the competitive exam. So in school exams and board exams, we have subjective papers where definitions, derivations, reasoning questions and few easy numericals are asked. Whereas in competitive exams, they focus on application of concepts and numerical solving. Students need to keep this in mind while preparing for the particular exam. Second comes the execution part, where students should ensure that his preparation is up to the mark. To achieve this, the most important thing is that how efficiently he utilizes his time. Competitive exams require daily efforts in numerical solving and concept application, for which student will have to be thorough with the basic concepts a lot before the exams. Thereby, he will be covering up the school part of the definitions, derivations and the reasoning questions at least once. Then the majority of his time should be focused on practicing for competitive exams. When the exam dates are approaching, a thorough revision for any school exam will require less time. A week's time before half-yearlies and the finals should be sufficient to properly revise, where student would practice the derivations and important questions by writing them down, just like he would do in the school exams. So here is the final summary, that understand the difference of what is asked in the school or board exams and what is asked in the competitive exams, and focus accordingly well before the exams. For school exams, focus on derivations, definitions and important questions, reasoning questions. And for the competitive exams, focus on question solving, conceptual questions and difficult questions.